Good morning, everyone. Have a nice day. This is Daddy June and in DB June
101.
tutorial. This morning, we are going to learn how to draw,
Sandy cheeks.
okay, the one and only girl.
In SpongeBob.
Okay, this is request of Sian to draw Sandy
Cheeks.
cheeks. You know how to draw it? Can you ask them if they know how to draw it? Sian, can you ask? Do.
Can you draw it?
Oh, boys and girls, can you draw it? Okay, so we will teach you how to draw Sandy.
Cheeks.
Okay, because Sian and Daddy love cheeks. Okay, so let's start. Are you ready now, Sian?
Yes.
Okay, so Sandy cheeks is
Squirrel.
what is that?
It's a squirrel.
A squirrel? Okay, so let's start. So we will start.
That's why she wears like a mask on her so she doesn't go underwater.
Okay, that's good, Sian. Okay, now I know. So we will start. The head of Sandy is a circle. So, okay, that's a circle.
Wow.
Okay, so you can check your circle thing. In your home, boys and girls, you can practice how to draw circle like this, Sian, no? So you can practice how to draw circle. You can see? You can see, Sian? So that your hand will be more comfortable in drawing circle thing. Okay? Like this, na? Okay? Okay, next. So, the body of Sandy is like a can. So, straight. And then, like that. So, this is our pattern. Like this, na? So, this is the basic part of Sandy. So, we have the circle thing plus this like a cylindrical can.
Mine is going
And
to be so short.
this one is the legs maybe of Sandy. So this is our pattern, how to do it. So we have our circle, we have our can, like a square, can, cylinder, and this is now our feet, so that we will know the size exactly of Sandy cheeks. Okay, and then we will start the details. Like this, na siya. Oh, like this. Here, oh. Should be like that. Okay, so let's start now. So, at the top of the head or the helmet is this helmet, siya. What do you call this one?
It's just called a helmet.
Helmet. Okay. In order for the squirrel to breathe
Breathe.
in the underwater, under the sea. So, at the top, there's a flower here, siyan. So, we will do the flower. So, start with the oval. Like this. And then, next is the flower. There are 5 petals of the flower. Okay? And then, we will draw now the circle. Okay, that's it. How's your circle now?
So big.
So, boys and girls, it's not easy to draw a circle.
You just need to
Perfect
trace. You
circle.
can just trace something like a ball.
Yeah.
That's it.
Sometimes they will use the cup or a glass to draw a circle. Okay? This one, siyan. You check. You erase first. Okay? So we have our circle now. The next is inside. Okay? Inside, siyan. Here. So this is the head of the squirrel, right? So here, we will draw now the head of the squirrel. So, like that. Can you do it? Here, like this. Move a little bit in the center so that you can see in the camera.
Oh.
Okay, and then next is the face of the squirrel, like that. And then we have the nose. The nose.
So
like Superman.
so complicated.
Yeah, because this is your request. And then two eyes. One eyes is overlapping one circle.
Wait. You need to draw them.
And we will see which drawing is better. It's Ian or it's Daddy. Okay. And then we will draw the.
People.
Okay. And then the. What is this? 3, 1, 2, 3. What is this? The
Eyelashes.
eyelashes.
It looks like SpongeBob.
And then the. What's the next?
Mouth.
The mouth. Okay. The mouth. Smiling mouth.
Huh?
And then the two.
Teeth.
Okay.
Buck teeth. Dog.
And then the tongue.
Tongue, the dong.
Like that.
The dong.
And then next is the
The
neck.
How can it be a squirrel with me?
Oh, it's too big. The neck is too big. Should be smaller. Like this, oh.
So skinny.
No.
Like that.
And then after that, we will connect the line here. Okay, line here, connect, and here.
Masama kuluya makakulo ka matata. Kapatukudan makanama.
Okay, and because this is a glass yan, we have the reflection of the glass. It's like letter C again. Okay, and then we will color this one black. We will see this one at black color.
Wait for me, you're too fast.
Okay.
Oh wow.
It's nice to use the Staedtler pencil 2B because it's darker compared to other pencil. So for me, I am using the Staedtler 2B
How can
pencil.
you sharpen it so big?
Yeah.
It's too hard to
Okay.
sharpen it.
Center. Okay, next we will do the body.
Buddy,
Okay.
like the candy.
So from here, we will do the second line here. Okay.
Oh.
Like this one. Okay, next we will do the body
The candy.
and stop here.
Why do we need to stop there?
Yes, because we will put the arms here on this side.
What?
Okay, next we will do the arm on the left side. That's the left side. So one,
No, that's
like
the right side.
like letter C na, C yan?
Yes.
Okay. And then next we will do the hands. Letter C again, like that. Follow?
What happened?
Okay.
Get
Okay.
away!
Okay, next we will do the other arm here.
It's like saying like this.
Okay, like that.
What happened?
Okay, should be straight.
You said it should be like this.
You see your drawing? Okay, almost done. Next, the hands. And then, like that. Should be this one, it should be bigger compared to this one. Because that's a thumb. So, it should be bigger. One, two, like that. Can you follow, little kids? Boys and girls? Okay. Good. Next, we are going to write and draw the tail. Here is the tail, like letter S, going up. And here,
big old bushy tail.
Like that. So after this one, we can erase the extra lines.
Yes,
Like
we
that.
can erase our extra lines.
Our guidelines.
Guidelines.
Okay.
Akala ko, dapat.
So
Mine is
it's
not-
almost done. Next, we will do, look at your pencil, it's dangerous. And then, next,
Let's do the design
we will
on
do
the
the,
chest. Design.
what is that? The pocket. And this is an acorn. See yan, you do the acorn.
What is that?
Acorn. Acorn is the
Like the nut,
nut, the fruit of the pine tree, right?
I think.
Okay, so squirrel loves acorn. So here,
Acorn.
have, is this a nectar, Sian? Okay, and then, okay. So we're done, almost done. We are in the 80% now, and we will do the what? No, what is that? The shoes of Sandy Chicks. So
Sandy beats.
shoes, one, like that, and then and
Oh, what?
like that.
What?
Can you follow? Okay. And then here, do like that. Okay, so we write already Sandy Chicks and Daddy June. Okay, so this morning we're done the request of Sian, the Sandy Chicks. So next time we are going to draw more, and we will teach you more. What you want to draw next time, Sian?
Megalodon.
Megalodon, the shark thing, hungry shark. Okay, say goodbye to them, Sian.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you till next time. This is Daddy June and Sian. Don't forget to subscribe Baby June 101 tutorials.